On days when I'm really lucky, I get to eat my lunch in peace. But let's see how. For example. Hi baby, you okay? You poop?
Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a realist of real life, what I eat in a day. It is what I eat in a day. I'm 5 months postpartum and I am breastfeeding. It's also what my kids eat in a day. I have a 3-year-old and a 2-year-old and a almost 6-month-old, so she's eating a little bit of solid, so you'll see that too. Today's video is sponsored by Home Chef. You can get $30 off of your first Home Chef order with code TiffanyB30, and I will also have that linked below in the description box. So let's get right into it, starting with breakfast for the family. Good morning everybody. We have a snow day today, so we are having no meals out, all home cooked meals. And do you want some breakfast?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go make it.
I make breakfast.
Make breakfast.
I make breakfast for you.
You're gonna make breakfast for them?
Yeah.
Oh, that is so nice. Ella May has nursed, I think, like 3 times overnight. Huh, sister. And she just got done nursing now. It's 8:24 a.m. I think she might be teething. So first up, we're making some Mickey waffle. Can you say Mickey? Mickey. You want some eggies too? Mickey's getting cooked. Do you want some eggies? Tanner, do you want eggies? Do you want eggs?
Yeah.
Please.
Okay.
This is truly what this looks like right now. I'm trying to make multiple breakfasts, and I still have to make Ella's cereal too, but also giving them some raspberries and blueberries. Tanner will probably be the only one to eat these because Carter is like repulsed, but they'll both eat blueberries. What you doing, Bubby? Is how we're eating breakfast today?
Yeah.
What table are we going to eat on? Can't reach. That looks dangerous. Since these are organic, I'm just rinsing them off with water. If they weren't organic, because sometimes I can't find them, I use the Thieves fruit cleaner. Making Ella some cereal also. To put blueberries in, 1 tablespoon of this oatmeal, and then some breast milk, and then she will eat that warm breast milk. Say thank you, Mommy.
You top mine up?
Yep. We'll get you a fork. You say thank you?
Thank you.
Tanner, say thank you, Mommy.
No, cinnamon.
You want some cinnamon?
Cinnamon,
Please.
please.
Carter has requested some cinnamon sugar on his. What are you doing, Tanner? Okay.
No.
Mornings with the Beastons. I'm also adding everything seasoning to my eggs. I can't cook them like that because Chris is allergic to sesame, but I love this stuff. Carter asked for more eggs. Apparently he's not feeling his waffle. Tanner apparently is not feeling his raspberries. Are you done with your Mickey waffle? You want more eggs?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Happy.
having my smoothie. It is spinach, raspberries that are going bad, banana that was in the fridge, kind of just using up all the stuff that's gonna go bad, but it's really, really good. I don't usually put raspberries in it, but definitely want to from now on because it tastes really good. What are you eating? 9:25 a.m. and Tanner is on his first snack of the day. 10:46 and Carter's having this as a snack. He likes opening it. And we gotta go get Sissy. I think she's ready to eat again too. Just got Ella down. It's around 11. Clearly it's a very slow morning today. So she nursed at 10 a.m. and at like 10:45 because like, she cannot fall asleep without nursing. I'm actually signed up to take a sleep training course because look at me guys, I'm dying. I need sleep. This is what I made the boys for lunch, if you can call this making lunch. They're having Uncrustables with some coconut clusters and some dried mango from Costco. They actually love these. I love these. I'm having some of this mixed with some of this as a snack until I'm able to actually sit down and eat my lunch. And these are the mangoes, so there's no like any extra sugar or anything on these mangoes. They're just dried. They're sweet enough without it, so that's that. And then here's my little mix of both. How's your lunch, boys?
Good.
Now we're back downstairs to cut their Uncrustables that they needed to have big the other day, but now today they need them cut because that is toddler life. Hopefully in half is cut enough for their liking. Toddlers.
Thank you.
Tanner?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Snack number 2, I think we're on. How is it? Good? So Carter had one of these, Tanner did not, and they're both eating these right now.
Mama.
Cinnamon apple. Yeah, baby?
I can have water.
Yeah, you want water?
Yeah.
How do you ask for water?
Please.
What came?
What?
What came?
Food.
Food? Yay, because look at all the snow outside.
Yeah. No.
So much snow today, huh, Bubbies?
I'm gonna eat it.
You're gonna eat that food?
Yeah.
You guys gonna help me cook dinner later?
Not me.
No? How rude. So Home Chef came, I'm gonna quickly unload that and then I need to get myself some lunch. It's so late. It's like 2:27 and I haven't eaten yet and I'm like insanely hungry. So let's go unpack that and make some lunch. So this is what's for dinner tonight. Chris really wants this, which is the ginger garlic chicken thighs, but I really want this. I might just make them both and then just like have the leftovers for lunch. So I'm just toasting up some of this Udi's gluten-free multigrain bread. I'm gonna have peanut butter on one half and then avocado on the other. This peanut butter I've been getting from Costco, but I love it because the ingredients are only peanuts. I added some peanuts and a couple of dark chocolate chips and then, of course, everything seasoning to my avocado. A little sweet, a little salty, a little savory. This is really good. On days when I'm really lucky, I get to eat my lunch in peace. But let's see how. For example. Hi, baby, you okay? Hmm? You poop?
Yeah.
Okay. That was an enjoyable lunch. I just can't make this stuff up. Mommy needs some coffee. I gotta have my coffee before the 3 o'clock cutoff. You want a banana?
Yeah. Yeah.
Carter, you want a banana?
Yeah. Not that cake, this cake.
That's a great cake for your birthday party.
All our family.
Aw.
Let's eat that again.
Here you go, Tanner. Can you say thank you? Hello, happiness. So this coffee is just the regular coffee, 1 teaspoon of sugar, some almond milk, and some whipped cream. Okay, so I'm starting dinner, and story of my life, I'm doing multiple things at once. I'm cooking both dinners at one time. So again, we're doing this ginger garlic chicken thighs. Also, it's witching hour in my house, so you may or may not hear lots of toddler yelling. And citrus miso salmon. So I already cut up my chicken thighs, and then I just rinsed off all of my produce. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut that up and put some music over that so you don't have to hear my toddler. Okay, so I have jasmine rice cooked, and you cook that with water and this coconut milk. I've never made it like this before, but it smells amazing. I have my Brussels sprouts going on 450 with olive oil and some salt and pepper. Now I'm just making citrus miso sauce. So there is some honey in here, some lemon and lime juice. Now I'm doing a little bit of the lemon and lime zest. Now this is some miso paste, so I'm just going to stir all this up together. Get the chicken thighs going in. Also putting the salmon in skin side up for 4 to 6 minutes, and then flipping it and doing the same for 4 to 6 minutes. So dinner was absolutely amazing. I can't believe Tanner actually ate salmon, like winning. Carter used to eat it all the time when he was like Tanner's age, and now he's just like repulsed by it. But yeah, dinner was delicious, and I have a lot of leftovers. I will definitely have this with my lunch tomorrow. I packed Chris's lunch for tomorrow, so he's having leftovers of the chicken and then this salmon right here. Usually I give Ella like avocado at night. That's like her second food that I introduced to her, but I didn't tonight because she's been just so gassy after having them. I feel like we just like need a little break from them. So I'm gonna see if she sleeps better tonight based on not having avocado at dinner time. So that's why she didn't eat that tonight. One of the reasons that I love Home Chef, besides the fact that there's 18 different like menu options, it's around $9.95 per serving. They have gluten-free options, they even have vegetarian options, and there's just nothing like them. They're rated #1 in customer service. They have just been amazing throughout. I literally have no complaints about them at all. Recipes are also like super easy to follow, and they're usually take only like about 30 minutes unless you have a bunch of toddlers asking you for a million things, and it might take a little bit longer. So thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Also be sure to check out Home Chef. Get $30 off of your first order with code TiffanyB30. I'll have that linked in the description box below. Also, I would love to know like which one of my cooking videos is your favorite to watch. Is it the what I eat in a day? Is it the crock pot meals, meal prep, toddler meal ideas? Let me know, because I know you really enjoy the food related videos. I'm just trying to get a gauge on which is your favorite one to watch so that I can make more of them for you. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.